In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up multiple email aliases with Gmail using your Google Workspace. Setting this up is easy to do, and I'll show you how in 5 simple steps. And so if you're ready to level up your business by adding email aliases, let's hop into this video. First up, we have to talk about what exactly is an email address. You can think of it as an alternative email address than your primary address. To give you an example, my main email address could be hello@darcysbusiness.com. This is the home where all the emails that are sent to my domain will go to. But I could also create alternative emails or email aliases like accounts@darcysbusiness.com, start an LLC@darcysbusiness.com. And so email aliases give you the option of receiving your mail at unique and tailored email addresses according to your specific need. Now let's talk about why exactly email addresses are important. The first reason why you would want to set up email aliases is for privacy and protection. And so as a business owner, I have multiple accounts that I need to maintain to run my business. I have social media accounts like Canva and Buffer. I also have financial accounts like Bluevine and Novo. For these different accounts, I use unique email aliases. So if by chance my Buffer email address were to get linked, my financial accounts would still be protected. And in this day and age where AI is getting more and more advanced, you want to add as many layers of security and protection that you can to make sure your business is secure. And I personally ensure I'm protected by using email aliases. The second reason why you would want to use email aliases is because it helps you organize your Gmail account. And so by simply adding rules as well as labels, I'm able to clearly organize and prioritize my email inbox. And so if you really think about it, those 2 reasons alone should be a reason enough why you should leverage the superpower that is using email aliases in your business. With that in mind, it's now time for me to share with you the 5 simple steps that you can do to set up email aliases with your Google Workspace account. And you must know, if you don't follow all 5 of these steps, your aliases won't be set up properly. So make sure to watch to the very end. The first step, we're gonna create an email alias within Google Admin. To get started, we're gonna go up to the top right-hand corner and hit the hamburger icon. We're gonna scroll down until we see admin. We're gonna click admin. It's then gonna take us to our Google Workspace admin console. And so we're gonna go to the left and we're gonna click directory. And then we're gonna click users. It's gonna take us to this page where we need to select the name of our user account. We're then gonna scroll down and hit add alternative emails. This will then take us to the page where we can add our email aliases. Google Workspace will give us up to 30 alternative emails at no extra cost. I will say I personally use this. I have more than 10 email aliases currently active. And so you're gonna type in the beginning part of the alternative email you want to use. The last part will be your domain. And so I'm gonna create one for community, as I just recently launched a free community and I want all community questions to go to this email address. Once I type this in, I'm gonna scroll down and hit save. This completes step 1. Now for step 2, I'm gonna add the email inside of my Gmail account. To do that, I'm gonna hit the hamburger icon and click on Gmail. It's then gonna take me to my email account, where I'm gonna hit the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner and then see all settings. Once I'm here, I'm gonna click the accounts tab. I'm gonna go to the send mail as section and add in the email alias I just created. And so I'll click add another email address. This pop-up window will appear and is where I'll need to type in the email alias that I just created. Once that's typed in, I will need to make sure the box that says treat as an alias is selected. Then I'll hit next step. And so it says, before I can send emails as community@darcysbusiness.com, Google first needs to verify that I own this email address. And so I need to click send verification and then check my email inbox. And so it does say that an email with a confirmation link has been sent to community@darcysbusiness.com. So let's head back over to my email. I just checked my inbox and it looks like I have received an email. And so it says, before I can send emails using this email alias, I first need to click this link and hit confirm. And so now for step 3, we need to create a label. A label is a category in which you can organize your emails. And so the way that you add a label is you click the plus icon and then you type in the label name. I'm going to title this label community. I also have the option of nesting this label, but for now I'm going to keep community on its own and then hit create. And so I want all emails sent to the community alias to be categorized by this label. And so now for step 4, we need to set up forwarding rules. And so the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to go to the settings icon and then see all settings. And so I'm going to go to the filters and blocked addresses tab. I'm going to scroll down and click create new filter. And so for all emails that are sent to the community label. And so I'm going to type in first community@darcysbusiness.com in the to field. Once I do that, I'm going to click create filter. It's then going to show me this pop-up to skip my main inbox and go directly to the community label. Since I've confirmed these settings are correct, I'm now going to click create filter. And now for the 5th step, I'm going to send a test email from another email account to the email alias I just created. And it worked just as expected. There's one email showing in the community label, and that's the test email. And so in 5 simple steps, you now know how to create multiple email aliases in Gmail using your Google Workspace account. And so you can follow all those steps, but if you don't have a separate business bank account, then you're in trouble. So make sure to watch this video right here to choose the best one.